So today we're at Reuther Hospital here in Westland, Michigan, and we are dedicating the new activity center to James K. Haveman, the former director of the Department of Community Health. The name of the building will be the James K. Haveman Center for Activity, Rehabilitation and Therapy. This new activity center will allow our patients to have a new space where they can have recreational activities, things such as indoor horticulture, educational opportunities, and we know that with this type of space that their social well-being will improve and their treatment improves as well.
Since '80s, there's been a talk about adding on to the Reuther building to build a gymnasium and activity areas for school and horticulture and art and sports and pool tables and ping pong tables. And finally, everything was in order. The governor supported it, the legislature supported it, the department supported it. The pieces began to go together and construction was started shortly after that.
This was very important here as Reuther Hospital was originally built as a nursing home. So many of the floors don't have a lot of extra space. And the staff had done a great job adapting over the years, trying to utilize some of the space in the basement for these types of activities. So this was a wonderful way to provide a more appropriate setting for our patients who we serve every single day.
And what this does, it allows for socialization, it allows for group activities, and education is key. And this offers a whole new outlet for the hospital to utilize space in a much healthier way, in a better way, for activity and therapy and rehabilitation.
I think this recognition to former Director Haveman is very appropriate because there was no one that was more dedicated to serving those with mental illnesses and disabilities than Jim Haveman. So it's my honor to be able to do this here today.
Well, it's humbling. When I was making some comments this morning, I looked out and many of these folks are in the audience today I've worked with either at the Department of Mental Health or Department of Community Health or in my previous jobs. And it was very heartwarming and it was very humbling.